Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I will try to keep this video as short, sweet, and to the point as possible. So we will just dive on in. Just know if you are interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead comes from the company WEX. Now, WEX is a leading financial technology service provider across a wide spectrum of different sectors. Some of their sectors include fleet travel and healthcare. I do believe we have a channel subscriber and viewer who was fortunate enough to get hired work from home from WEX and currently works there, but they have another opening for a customer service specialist. Now, this customer service job is working on the phones, but phone-based customer service jobs are sometimes a little bit easier to get into than the non-phone positions. So if you're trying to get your foot in the door and just want to work from home, this might be the stepping stone for you, and then you can always quit and go to other jobs as you get experience and qualify for other positions. But they are looking for someone to engage with their customers over the phone. You'll have to customize those interactions to the individual customer's personality and situation. They do have productivity and quality standards that you have to meet, and you have to meet those within 90 days of your hire date. So they do give you 90 days to learn and get up to par. But you'll be the one point of contact of problem solving for the customer. You'll prescribe the fastest and easiest resolution to their problems. You'll influence customers for a win-win solution. Now, this position does not have very many requirements listed at all. You have to have available high-speed internet access. You have to have a private place in your home to work. You need to be willing to work a flexible schedule that includes some weekends and holidays, and you have to be able to pass a background check. But no actual experience is required. That's why I said this is a great stepping stone for those of you who are trying to get in the door and learn and get some experience. This is 100% work from home position, and the pay range is anywhere from $14 an hour all the way up to $18.50 an hour. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.